at that little nose go. He seems to like it. Look at you, little one.
Oh, hi there.
Aw.
Such a brave duckling.
Woohoo! Caw-caw! Whee! Look, I'm spinning! Oh, this is so fun! Come on, little friend, let's have some fun! It's nice! Look, it's drifting away! Whoa, careful! Achoo! Oops! Hold on, little one. I've got you. Thank you. Cheep, cheep.
What's happening? Why is it moving?
Wah, wah, wah! Ooh! Ooh, ooh, giant donut! With sprinkles! On a turtle! Whoa! Quack, quack! Squeak! Wow! A donut island! Look at the sprinkles! Wow, this is he's so big! I can't wait to ride him! We're riding a giant turtle on a Squawk! Squawk!
I have a special for you, my friend.
I'm so glad we're all together. Me too, friend. A squeal. Chirp. Chirp. Oopsie. Chirp. Need some help?
Almost there. Just a little more. Got it. Whoa!
Wow. That's a perfect rose. That's a big flower. Where did he go? Wow.
Quack!
Hey there, little guy.
Almost done. There. Perfect.
Wait for me! Look at my beautiful tractor, all decorated with flowers and vines. Isn't it wonderful? Time to make some magic!
Up we go!
Keep 'em coming.
Wow! It's working! Look at them spin! I know! It's so exciting!
Time to get this sweet.
Squawk! Squawk!
Wow! Look at all the color lizard! I caught one! Keep steady now. Catching. Precise and slow. Perfect.
Ick.
It's getting huge! Wow! It's massive!
Hold on, just a little further. Yes!
Almost done. Perfect. Shiny again.
All right, everyone, dinner is served.
candy is floating! The parrots are chasing it! Oh, they're eating it! Wow, it's delicious! Can I try? What a sweet day!